Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So here we're gonna do this animation today, and we'll start from making the section responsive. Make it 100 VH here. Now go to the quick add and take a container, adjust it to this section. Okay, increase the width and do the same as section we did. Make it 100 VH here. So change the color of the background to the white, and now we need a text. So here we go to the heading 1. Okay, I'll write. So this will be my heading or the main title. So now I need an image. So same we will go and go to the media. You can upload it from your gallery, or you can go to the site files, and here we can take an image and add to the page. Adjust it to the same. Adjust it. Adjust the text. So we need to style the text. You can change the font size and also the font style of the text. Okay, I will go to the previous one. Change the color. You can also choose or customize it. Okay, we'll go for this. You can make it bold or change the alignment, spacing, or also you can change the margin. Now we'll go for a button. So here I will choose this one. Now I want to style it also. We'll change the color of it first, same as the text or the light one. The same will be good. Okay, now I need to change the text from here. You can also change the font size, or you can change the width of it. Okay, good to go. So this is the layers. Okay, this is the container and everything we have added in it. Right now we will go to make it sticky, and we will change the height of the section to the 150 VH, as we need some space to scroll it down. Okay, now see, this is the part. Here we need to add a line, because we will create all animation through this. So when the line appears in scroll, the animation will start. And we also need to adjust it just after the containers end. We will start the animation. Go to the scroll. We need a scroll animation here. So we need animation on the text. So choose the text and fade and adjust the animation from below. Okay, you can see. Now first we need to make sure to make it from its design. Okay, so the red line shows when this line appears, so we can adjust through it. Okay, now the next animation we need is on the button. Choose the button from its design. Now go to the adjustments and we'll do the same as we did on the text. Adjust it. Okay, it's good to go. Now we will do the animation on image. Select the line, add it, select the image, and from its design. Now we will learn how to do move animation. Select the moving direction, and the same as we did earlier. The red line shows when the line appears. Adjust the animation. See, now we need to change the distance. Okay, we'll see. Okay, we started with 540 here. I guess it's good. See the preview. So this is how the line appear and animations will work. For slide animation, we need another image. So take it as we did the same earlier. Okay, adjust it. Okay, we'll go and take a line from decoratives. You can choose any other element it's required. Okay, adjust it below. Okay, now we will do the animations. Add and go for the image. We'll do the move animation here. Again, set the angle. We want to hide the image so it will not appear in starting. Okay, now same, adjust the animation area. Now we need the animation for the line also, the same animation, or you need another, you can go for another animation also. Same, adjust the animation area. Okay, so adjust it according to your need. I will shift it little below. Okay, so now I want to hide this line. I will go to the design and hide the color so that in the animation it will not be shown. So this is how it looks like. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.